Hi guys, so this recipe is pretty simple to make. It's a low-carb chili meat sauce. You'll need a pound of ground beef, a little bit of olive oil for the cooking, and then some simple seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, everything all to taste. And then I ended up putting in some peppers in at the end and some onions that I had chopped up a while back ago. I added a can of tomato paste and a can of diced tomatoes, a small medium can of each. And then once I fried up all the ground beef like you're seeing me now, then I added a little bit of soy sauce at the end of it and some chili powder, maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons. And no time at all, this all cooked up. The meat was kind of partially frozen when I started cooking it. And then I had these on tortilla wraps, and then I ended up making like a burrito, and I put it in the air fryer for about 10. But the problem was when I popped them out of the air fryer, one split open, and because I didn't wrap it up tight enough, and I should have probably maybe put a toothpick to hold it together. But these are some of the learning things that we do, but otherwise everything tasted fantastic, and I definitely have plans again to make it again. But the only problem was is I should have added a little cheese, because that would have brought it over the top. It was just something I had forgotten about. Now, don't judge my food, because the tortilla wraps are not low carb and they're not keto. But the problem is I had forgot to look at the label. So when I bought it, I thought they were low carb. And my wife had asked me that when I got home. She says, "Do you know you bought the wrong kind?" So, again, always read your labels. I don't throw away any food here because food is too expensive, especially being on retirement. And those were frozen onions and peppers that I had chopped up a while back ago. They were like the green and bell peppers and the red bell peppers. And then I just said, find this cheaper to just buy them and then chop them up and freeze them yourself. And then again, it didn't take hardly any time at all. So let's continue on with the video, and we'll talk about it at the end of the video, and then have an amazing day. And there you have our final product. So without further ado, let's go in the back room and just talk about it briefly, really quick, and enjoy your day. Hi guys, well, we are back. Okay, so my tortillas are done. The only problem was one of my tortillas split open on the air fryer on me. I should have wrapped it up a little tighter. And the other two came out all right. I just cut one open and I had a couple of bites of it. My only suggestion would be you could put some cheese in it. I didn't think about it at the time I was making it. But again, these aren't low carb because of the tortilla wrap. It's a regular tortilla wrap. I screwed up. But, I'm having it anyways because I want to use up the wraps and I don't throw any food out. But it's going good. I lost 8 pounds this week and I'm happy. This is transitioning over to carbs to carnivore, from carnivore to keto for the weekend. But, I'm only having one of these. There's only like about 20 carbs or grams or something like that in that one. And it's okay for today, but I made a shapo earlier today. That'll be video number 15 on the playlist here. It's a McGriddle egg and sausage grinder shapo that I made. Yeah, so anyways, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I love you guys.